Do you want to promote your classes, your membership, your business more effectively on social media? Well, live video is the key. Going live on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all the platforms now have a live feature, even Amazon, did you know that? But being confident on live is another skill. I'm creating a whole special workshop for all Fit Pros who want to be better on camera live. How to start your lives, how to capture and engage people, different types of live, sitting, working out, standing, piece to camera, how you can create really natural and fabulous lives that everybody will want to engage with. If you'd like to join me for my very special workshop, live of course, it will be on Zoom. I've got lots and lots of tips. I think live is our superpower, the superpower for all fitness professionals who want to grow their brand and their business. So if you'd like to join me, it's Tuesday at 8. Of course, it's recorded if you can't make it, but I'd love to see you. And let's really help you be more confident and really exude your fabulous personality on live video.